In 2025, the world will see some of the biggest megaprojects in the world. Initiatives that promise to transform cities, modernize infrastructure, and create new global landmarks. From pharaonic works that challenge engineering, to technological ventures that anticipate the future, these projects represent the pinnacle of construction modern. Let's delve into the details that are about to become reality. Jetta Metro. The Jetta electric train, known as the Jetta Metro. It is part of the Transportation Development Project in Jeddah, which consists of a network of trains, buses, trams, and sea buses, where 4 main metro lines will be constructed. It includes 85 stations at a cost of $12 billion. It is scheduled to begin operation in 2022, but its completion has been postponed to 2025. It is planned to create 3 lines. The first phase will link King Abdulaziz International Airport with Prince Abdullah Al Faisal Stadium, Ruwais Central, and Qusm. The goal of the project is to provide an integrated and modern public transportation system. It serves the city of Jeddah, its residents, and visitors, implementing a fully automated metro system using the finest international technologies. The waterfront in Jeddah is one of the most important landmarks that must be served by public transportation systems. Al Faw Grand Port Phase 1. Iraq has made progress in completing the first phase of its multi-billion-dollar Al Faw Grand Port project. The port project is nearly 2/3 complete. The Phase 1 completion date is set for 2025, including a 5-berth container terminal, with an initial capacity of 3.5 million per annum. About 68% of the 5 berths in Faw has been completed after it was only 19% 3 years ago. If fully built out, Faw Port would be one of the largest ports in the world. Its ambitions are grand, including rail and road links through Iraq into Turkey and Europe. A 36-mile road connecting to Iraq's current port of Qasr is in the works. Guggenheim Museum Abu Dhabi. The long-awaited Guggenheim Museum in Abu Dhabi. Plans for the Guggenheim Abu Dhabi were first revealed in 2006, and work began on site in 2011. But it was then suspended for several years. Nearly 20 years after plans were unveiled and 14 years after construction began. Guggenheim Abu Dhabi is currently being constructed on Saadiyat Island by architect Frank Gehry is set to open in 2025. A cultural district under development off the coast of the UAE capital. At 42,000 square meters, the museum will become the largest of the 4 Guggenheim outposts, overtaking Guggenheim Bilbao that Gehry also designed. Notre Dame Cathedral Restoration. In 2023, significant progress has been made in the restoration of Notre Dame Cathedral. Almost 1,000 workers are involved in the efforts, both on-site and in workshops across France. Scaffolding is being removed in phases, and the grand organ, stained glass windows, and wrought iron railings have undergone restoration. Key structural elements like vaults and buttress walls have been repaired or replaced. The timber framework for the nave and choir is being prepared in workshops for future installation. The reconstruction of the iconic spire has also commenced. It is expected to be completed in 2025. Riyadh Metro is a rapid transit system serving Riyadh, the capital of Saudi Arabia. Part of the King Abdulaziz project for Riyadh public transport. It is the longest driverless metro in the world. The system consists of 6 lines, connecting 85 stations spanning a combined length of 176 kilometers. This is the second metro system in Saudi Arabia, after the Al-Mashar Al-Muqaddasa Metro in Mecca, and the 4th on the Arabian Peninsula, 6th in the Arab world, and 15th in the Middle East. The project cost $22.5 billion to build. Gordie Howe International Bridge. The Gordie Howe International Bridge project is a once-in-a-generation undertaking. Not only will the project deliver much-needed transportation improvements for international travelers, it will also provide jobs and opportunities for growth to the Windsor-Detroit region, and includes features that make this project truly distinctive. Cable-stayed design. 6 lanes. 3 Canadian-bound, 3 US-bound. Total length, approximately 2.5 kilometers or 1.5 miles. The longest main span of any cable-stayed bridge in North America. A multi-use path designated as part of the Trans-Canada Trail system will accommodate pedestrians and cyclists across the border. Once complete, the Gordie Howe International Bridge will be among the top 5 longest bridges in North America. The Four Frankfurt. The Four Frankfurt is the fresh vision of a contemporary city. The Four Frankfurt unique skyscrapers depict an urbanity without compromise. Neighborhoods will grow, in which life, living and working come together. Quality of life experiences a modern interpretation, sustainable, high caliber, lively and international. The Four Frankfurt interprets the skyline as a modern urban living space. The result is a vision of the future with inspiring perspectives. The futuristic towers rise up to a lofty 233 meters, offering unparalleled breathtaking views. At the same time, a sustainable, open, lively and socially balanced quarter is growing, with 600 apartments in various sizes, and partly as subsidized living space, with high-quality office space, hotels and urban flair. The Four Frankfurt is the new face of the city, in direct proximity to sun, clouds, wind and weather. Seal Tower is under construction and due to be completed 2025. It's the work of architecture and engineering firm NOR. Seal Dubai Marina, formerly known as Seal Tower, will have more than 1,000 rooms and suites spread over 82 floors, and at around 365 meters high. It is set to become the world's tallest hotel. Dubai is known for its futuristic architecture and stunning skyline. With the opening of the Seal Tower, the city will feature another stunning building. The Seal Tower rises 9 meters above the Gvora Hotel, making it the tallest hotel in the world.